my channel. It's Ariel Alvarez here, and today I got a juicy topic for you. Our topic is gonna be how to spot a fake and phony friend. Juicy, I told you, it's gonna be juicy, like a nice fat chicken wing. It's gonna be juicy. Oh yeah guys, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll give you 5 seconds. All done? All right, you got yourself a fake friend if, number one, they're never happy for you. You're out here getting degrees, you're out here getting good relationships, you look poppin' all the time. If they're never happy for your accomplishments, then they fake. They as fake as Barbie, okay? They should be happy for you. They should be cheering you on when you're getting these degrees, sis. They should be clapping for you. They should not be hating on the fact that you're making big steps in your life. They should be helping you, not dragging you down. We don't need that negative energy, okay? That's the first thing that leads us to knowing that you got a fake ass friend on your hands, okay? Numero dos. They only want to chill or come around you when it benefits them. So let's say like, oh, they're having problems with their boyfriend or their girlfriend or whatever. They call you because they need someone to talk to. I'm a joy to be around. If you're gonna come around me, it's to hang out with me and to enjoy my presence, not to just use me as like Dr. Phil. Like, I mean, I'm all here to give advice, but like, if we're gonna hang out, we need to hang out and do something because we enjoy each other. If they only hit you up to hang out with you, to just talk and not really chill, it's just boring all the time, you probably got yourself a fake ass friend. I'm gonna keep saying that. Fake ass friend. Fake ass friend. Numero tres. This one right here, I cannot stand. When you look fly as hell, you're slaying them, honey, and your friends come and say, oh, your hair just looks whack, or your hair looks too flat, or your eyeliner's not even right, let me fix it for you, and they make you look worse. You fake as hell, and you're trying to make me look worse than you. That's on period. Anytime your friends come and nitpick at you about your outfit or your look or your body, they're hating. Hating. Hater alert. They're fake as hell, because a true friend will have your back and want you to slay as bad as them. Number four. They're never there for you. You always like catching yourself like being there for them when they are broken up with, or they get bad grades, or like something really traumatic happens in their lives, but the moment you go to call them, all they gotta say is sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry that happened to you. Oh, I'll pray for you, or I'm sorry. That's it. I'm out here spitting out quality advice because you're my friend and you're just gonna tell me sorry? That's an alert. That's fake. A real friend will have your back and want to talk to you and know if you're okay and give you the best advice that they have in their belt, period. They're going to want to have your back and they're going to want to make sure that you're okay. I'm not obligated to do anything for anybody. I do it because I want to. I'm here for you because I want to be here for you. I'm here for you because I love you. That is why we support one another. If you ain't doing it for me, I'm not reciprocating the favor. We don't want these friends that are heavy. Like, fake friends are heavy on your spirit, on your soul. Like, they just want to drag you down. I'd rather have 0 friends than have 14 fake ass friends who aren't even that dope, to be honest. I'd rather be with the cool me than have all of your fakeness all up in my realness. Hell out of here. Get the hell out of here with your Barbiness. Number five. They never have your back. They are a loyalty flip-flopper. They don't got your back. When it comes to guys, friends, drama, fights, they don't got your back, period. I cannot stand a loyalty flip-flopper. If you're my friend, you're here to be by my side, have my back, have all angles of me covered, honey. You can't be a one day yes, one day no, like, oh, today I like you, the next day I don't like you. That's not what friends are. If you have a problem with me, you have to talk to me. Don't go talking about me to your other friends or your other peers or your family. If you got a problem with me, a real friend will come up to you and say, look, I don't want any drama between us and I want to get this fixed because you're my girl and I love you and I want us to be besties again. That's how it's supposed to go. Don't go talk to me to everyone else trying to see what you can do to like fix our friendship. No, come to me. And you know what? A real fake ass friend and a phony ass person won't even fix your friendship. They'll just leave it how it is. Be like, oh, you know what? If it's broke, don't fix it. Who that's If you're a true friend, you're gonna want to talk to me and you're gonna want to fix it with me because you value my friendship with you. Period. Period. Okay? We have too much worth to be wasting our time on fake ass people. No fake friends allowed here. We do not like fake friends here. We are all about realness. I don't need any plastic Barbies when I'm a cute Bratz doll. Just remember, like, you're too fly to be having haters by your side. You need girls who are gonna hype you up. Don't stand around for these haters. Go get yourself a real friend. I'd rather have one real ass friend than a whole bunch of fake ass, plastic ass, nasty, rude ass friends. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please, if you noticed and this video helped you spot a fake friend, drop that friend, drop those friends, and leave a comment down below because I am more than happy to have more real friends. If you're looking for a real one, come at me, okay? Comment down below and make sure to like, comment, and share, okay? And to subscribe. Bye guys, thank you for watching.